Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mary Grace Espinosa from BSBA 4B. My topic is all about employee training and development, the benefits and why it's important. Employees are a company's biggest asset, and investing in talent is vital to sustainable business growth and success. Businesses go through lengthy processes to recruit and hire qualified and suitable staff, but often the emphasis on caring about employee staff there. These processes it will help to analyze each one of employees to fit their role. According to Gallup study, work groups that engage in employee development saw a sales increase and profits double compared to work groups that didn't engage at all. Engage in employee is important. It make a good relationship between them. It will cause also a good results and it will contingent of company future. What is employee development? Training involves programs which enable employee to learn precise skill or knowledge to improve performance. Development programs involve a more expensive employee growth plan for future performance rather than immediate career role improvement. Now, learning and development are taking top priority. Recognizing new skills and ways of learning will help a company involve and innovate for the future. The benefits of training and development in the workplace. Top benefits of for driving employee development is to shape a more efficient, competitive, and engaged workplace. Here are reasons why employee training and development is important. Number 1, positive employee retention. Hiring and retention can become a major challenge to employers. However, this can be avoided through career development. Training programs have become so centralized within business that it is often used as a competitive advantage when hiring. It is important of having a training programs. Number 2, training future leaders. Targeting skills and employees or future leadership will help establish a business for growth and change. Having established leadership development programs ensures that an organization is always considering the future organizational goals by preparing promotable talent. Number 3, employee empowerment. Leaders who feel empowered within the workplace will be more effective at influencing employees and gaining their trust. Consequently, those employees will feel a greater sense of autonomy, value, and confidence within their work. Number 4, increase workplace engagement. Boredom in the workplace can create feelings of dissatisfaction and negative working habits. Regular development initiatives can prevent workplace idleness. Training and development will also influence company culture by instilling an emphasis on planning. Having frequent training programs will also establish regular re-evaluation of employee skills and processes. Organizations also need to consider the risk of digital and online learning in talent development. How to create a high-impact employee training plan. Companies that immediately engage in employee growth and potential learning opportunities from the moment that individual is hired will greatly impact future employee performance and dedication. The 2017 Workplace Learning Report garnered insight from 500 learning and development professionals across Canada and the US and found that 80% of executives believe developing employees is a top priority. Here are a few effective strategies from developing workplace talent. Number 1, target soft skills. The latest LinkedIn Workplace Learning Report found that training for soft skills was the number 1 priority for talent development in 2018. The modern workplace requires adaptable critical thinkers that can communicate effectively and include analytical, verbal, and leadership. Number 2, personalized employee development. Employees need to be analyzed and acknowledged in terms of their specific skills, technology, fluency, and approach to learning. Training programs approach workplace development with a one-size-fits-all mentality. This technique, however, is counteractive to a growing diversified workplace. Number 3. Digital learning. Ensuring employees make time for learning was the number one challenge talent development faced into 2018. It helps to reach all employees and provides the company with a competitive advantage. Employers need to reduce any resistance to learning by engaging talent to the existing platform they choose to spend their time on. Number 4, create a strategic development plan. The step involved in creating a development plan begin with establishing business goals. The development plan itself needs to incorporate various stages for effective tracking that analyze the before, during, and after. Leaders also need to decide what skills are needed with the business, again aligning it to overall objectives. Gallup estimated that employee replacement costs can be 160% of the workplace annual salary or more. Companies and employees also need to be committed to change and in the sense committed to addressing problem and the relevant training it may address. As the workplace grows, change and adapt, so will the internal cultures, structures, and processes of business. Development programs speak about the shift towards empowerment, a transformative quality within workers and leaders. Companies that design for growth and development will actively practice it too. The benefits and value of training and development act like a domino effect. Leaders feel competent and that efficiently influence employee performance. Happy and skilled workers create job satisfaction, commitment, and this retention, workforce improvement, and engagement impacts the overall profit. Despite the type of training and development, it needs to align with the general trend of future workplace skills, support the company's business objectives, and be delivered in an innovative way that mirrors the digital shift in business. That's all. Thank you everyone for watching.